Hello, my name's Vinnie Camilleri, and today I'm having to go with that little product sheet. Just copied like a little scene like Peter Mckinnon. She managed to get over the same ship's block that he's got. I got some vintage rope, got this on eBay, £15. This is an old, it's not that old actually, axe from the DIY store. Here's the product, leather bag from the Beard Struggle. We've got some other Beard Struggle products here, but these are not the subject, the bag is the subject. So I've got like a little Viking V-comb, some rings. Got this old key from eBay. Here's some Beard Struggle beard rings. I got this lamp here, and this is from an old antique shop, cost £3. And I'm just putting this little light behind it to give off the effect that it's glowing. And here I've got this box here. It's not the same as Peter's. He had a big drawer one. Found the exactly same one for £55, but I got this one in a local antique store for £5. So it's just for the background to give some flavour to the shot. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to get on the smoke machine and get some atmosphere into the shot. This is the best bit. Here we go. Woohoo! Get some. My idea is to swoop in like this, maybe, and get some shots like that. Maybe I might use the gimbal and try something else, but at the moment I'm going to try this. I'm going to press record and get that away. I'm in manual focus here using the Sony A7 III. What I'm noticing is the product isn't lit very well. There's nothing from in front. I'm going to move with the lights. So moving the footage into Final Cut Pro, I chop it up and I have around 20 of the same shots to choose from and simply eliminate till I end up with the best one where the composition is good along with the right light and focus. Give it a little colour grade, add some music, then write some copy and record a narration. I had to reshoot some of the shots to fit for vertical and 4:5 aspect ratios because I'd punched in too hard in wide format. I also recorded the narrations in a slightly different style with different music to cater for different feels for different customers. Sometimes it's good to have a few options to give your client as they get to have a choice. So here's what we ended up with. Let's check it out.
This Father's Day, give him something that he'll keep forever. The Beard Struggle's new leather Viking War Bag. Order online now from thebeardstruggle.com. This Father's Day, give him something that he'll keep forever. The Beard Struggle's new leather Viking War Bag. Order online now from thebeardstruggle.com. This Father's Day, give him something that he'll keep forever. The Beard Struggle's new leather Viking War Bag. Order online now from thebeardstruggle.com.